Hello. So today we are going to look at using the sieve of Eratosthenes to identify prime numbers up to 100. So what are prime numbers? So we know that prime numbers are numbers having two factors, one in itself, and is greater than 1. So the process is simple actually. What you do first is you list the numbers from 1 to 100. Since we are looking for the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Now, what you do is you cross out the multiples of prime numbers starting from 2, the smallest prime number, which is the smallest prime number here, to the square root of the last number. So the square root of the last number, which is 100, is 10. So the idea is by the time we start crossing out the multiples of 2, 3, all the way till we get to 10, we would have crossed out all the composite numbers. Now, a composite number is just the opposite of prime numbers. They have more than 2 factors. So we would have crossed out all the composite numbers in this set, leaving out only the prime numbers. Now, let's look at how it's done. So first off, I'll go ahead and cross out 1, since 1 is not a prime number. Why is 1 not a prime number? Because, well, 1 has only one factor, itself 1. But prime numbers have 2 factors. Let's jump to 2, which is our smallest prime number here. So let's circle it and cancel out the multiples of 2 in this set. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. So we move on to the next number, which is 3. So 3, 6 has already been crossed out. So 9, so 12, so 15, 18, 21, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. Okay, so let's move on to the next prime number, which is 5. Now we circle 5. Now let's cross out all the multiples of 5. So 10. Okay, 15 has already been. Okay, 1, 20, 25. Okay, let's cross out 25. 30. Okay, 35. 40. Okay, so 45. Okay, 50. 55. 60. 65. 70. Well, 75 has already been crossed. So then 80. Okay, 85. Then 90 and 95. Right. So then our next number on the list is 7. Let's cross out the multiples of 7. So we have, okay, 7 to 14, 14 has already been crossed out. Let's go to 21. Let's look for 21. 21 has already been crossed out. The next one on the list is 28. 28 has already been crossed out. So let's go to 35. 35 has already been crossed out. So 42. 42 has already been crossed out. 49. Okay, let's cancel 49. So from 49 we go to 56. So 56 that's already been crossed out. 63. Let's go to 63. That's already been cancelled out. Then 70. 70 has already also been crossed out. Then 77. Okay, let's cross out 77. Then 84. 84 has already been cancelled. Then we move on to 91. So we cross out 91. The next one is 98, which has already been cancelled. So, okay. Now the next number, okay, as we can see, as I said, by the time we get to the square root of the last number, we would have realized we've cancelled every composite number here. So now that's the process. We are done with the process. All the numbers left are the prime numbers from 2 to 100. So let's check it out. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Okay, 29, then 31. Okay, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, then 97. So this is how we use the sieve of Eratosthenes to identify prime numbers from 1 to 100.